Despite public concern about safety and suitability, Heroes Circle in Kingston successfully staged its first major event last night. The development has prompted renewed calls for the space to be added to the capital's entertainment calendar. Against the backdrop of Kingston's bustling transport hub, Heroes Circle transformed into a vibrant entertainment space with music pumping, vendors selling, and patrons filling the venue well into the night on Boxing Day.
But the event here is big, I'm tell you it's big. The people come out in numbers.
The event, I Love Soca, the first of its kind at the location, was held amid public concern over safety and security given the area's history. But the promoter says those concerns were addressed head-on.
Jamaicans actually welcome entertainment, they welcome culture, and they realize that when entertainment comes into the space, it's a benefit to more than just the promoters, more to just the patrons. It actually benefits everybody within the community. So we knew for a fact that it would have run smooth today.
Police maintained a visible presence throughout the night, while security personnel were stationed at multiple checkpoints, and organizers report no major incidents.
Days before the staging of this event here at Heroes Circle in Kingston, there were several concerns. However, tonight, the vendors are loving every minute. You don't want to see more events right like this?
Of course, why not? Because it also make we, as the vendor, it also make the youth, then we are part of them vehicle. Everybody eats a food, so it's good.
Others echoed that sentiment, describing the location as accessible. This patron believes Friday's event could signal new possibilities for the area.
I think more events should happen here. I mean, when the construction of Parliament starts happening here, well, we understand it's going to be restricted and whatever. But as per now, more events can happen here because it's a central location. People from all around Kingston, outside of Kingston, can come in and enjoy the space.
With vendors and patrons calling for more events at the location, it's left to be seen if Heroes Circle may become Kingston's newest event space. Swift action by residents prevented a major disaster for their neighbors in Backstreet, Mango Valley and St. Mary on Boxing Day. The residents helped to put out a fire at a house in the community. Residents used sand and other materials to control the flames before a unit from the Port Maria Fire Department arrived and conducted cooling down operations.
5 bedroom. Yeah, but it's only 1 bedroom got damaged. Okay. The one that the fire was in.
So tell me how some of the stuff got damaged.
There was 2 beds, a fan, a TV, a glass table, some suitcase with clothes and a lot of shoes and stuff. Lot of clothes. All our clothes them damaged. So I guess me and I wear the same size, so I have to go because it's my aunt's room.